We're going to try out a new posture today, Parsvakonasana, extended side angle. At first, we'll just rest our elbow. So you come back into this nice warrior two-like position, and you're going to stretch the entire side body. So bringing your right elbow down to your knee and stretching your arm up. If you can, look up towards the ceiling or continue to look in front. Try not to collapse into the shoulder and the elbow. Your side is activated. Stomach pulled into the spine. Back nice and straight. Nice straight line through your leg, your side and your arm. And stay here for a few more breaths, 3 more breaths. And come back to warrior two. Gently release the pose, doing the same thing on the other side. Check your alignment. Move into that right angle. Bring your left elbow down onto your left knee, not collapsing. Opening up the sides, opening up the ribs. Stomach gently pulled into the spine. Stretch your right arm up. Press down into your right heel. Press down and ground down into your left heel. Look up if you can. If not, continue to look in front. Relax the shoulders. Open them nice and wide. Don't let them rise. Staying here for one more breath. Nice long inhalation. Long exhalation. Come back to warrior two and stretch out of it. Let's try it one more time on the right. Turning your leg to the right. Left toe slightly turned in. Come back to warrior two with the legs. And come down to your elbow, resting on your knee, opening up the ribs, stretching the arm up. Staying here for a few breaths, 5 breaths this time. Remember to lift with the upper body and press down into the heels with the lower body. Stomach is engaged, glutes engaged, thighs engaged, calves working hard, feet pressing down, upper body stretching up towards the sky. And gently come back, relax. Trying the same thing on the left. Check your alignment, heel in the arch of the foot, right leg turned in slightly, and come down onto your elbow. Stretching up, opening up the ribs nice towards the ceiling. Don't collapse. Can be a little higher if you like, if that helps to keep the ribs nice and open. Staying here for 5 breaths. And gently come back, straighten the legs, walk the legs in and shake them out. Remember to stay connected to yourself and subscribe to the channel.